Hi friends, let me show you this new fan light that I received for reviewing purposes. It is a really nice lamp and fan. First of all, you don't have to assemble anything. It comes fully assembled. You just install it and that's it. As you can see, it's a modern type lamp and fan with some special characteristics. First, the fan can go one way or the other depending if you want air to go down in summer or to go up in winter. Also, the light has 3 different temperatures, okay? So you can have cool light, warm or warmer light, okay? And it has 6 speeds. The fan has 6 speeds. It comes with all you need, the accessories to install it, and also it has a remote control, okay? So you even get the batteries for the remote, okay? So we are going to install it and see how it looks here in my home. Thank you. Friends, let me show you this beautiful fan and light. I put it here in my main entrance in my house. And let me show you, we have the remote control here. You see, you can turn on and off the light, the fan, put it to work for 2 hours, whatever you need or want to do with it. Okay, so first, I want to turn it off, turn it on. We are going to change the intensity. More brightness, more brightness, as you can see, or less. See, it gets, you're dimming it, brighter or less bright, okay? Then you can change the temperature. This is like a bright, cool white. This is warmer and more warmer, as you can see. Hope you feel it. Then you have a mode for night light here. Okay, you see it? Okay. So it dims it really low, so you can have just a nice soft light. Okay, well, then we are going to turn on the fan, and it goes. There it goes. Now it's in the summer mode. You could leave it working for 2 hours, and then it will turn off. Okay. So I think it's a really nice fan, really different options for lighting. That's also really nice. So you can put the light on the tone of the mode of your house or your party, or if you are receiving friends and family, or if you just are alone and well, needing some time to relax. So this is great. Thank you.